Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is the quick reel that I use. So I use first, of course, my Huda Beauty Press Bake um, Huda Beauty Easy Press Bake, which I purchased yesterday, and I'll be taking with me to on my Umrah trip, inshallah. And I am also using Elf cheek and lip stain, buildable, and I'll be using this because I am very excited to visit my best place, like my Allah's place. My that is my like home, and I'm very excited. So I'll be wearing everything that is vegan and halal. So this is the perfect product that you can use, and you don't have to worry that whether it has halal haram ingredients or not. um, I share all the ingredients with my YouTube like details video. Please go to my YouTube video and subscribe. You can see all my video in there. Okay, bye.